Hey guys, so in this video, we will learn about graphing linear inequalities, and we'll explore inequalities in one variable and graph them on a number line. So linear equalities are similar to equations. The difference is that equations give one solution while inequalities produce a set of solutions. You may remember learning inequalities comparing numbers. So something like 7 is greater than 6, or 22 is less than 100. Oops. Maybe 8 over 8 is equal to 1, and 1/2 is greater than 1/4. So those are some examples of inequality you may have seen already. So let's take a look at some different type of inequalities. So in this portion, we're going to talk about when graphing, we use an open dot. So when graphing, the symbols greater than, less than, or greater than, or whichever order they are in based on how you're using it, we use an open dot to shade the line in the proper direction. Sorry, when graphing the symbols greater than and less than, we use an open dot and shade the line in the proper direction as explained in the inequality. So let's say we have x is greater than 2, okay? So this is a greater than symbol. We can look at a number line and plot 2 here. And since this is just a greater than or less than, we use an open dot on the 2 because that's where we're focused on. And it's saying that x is greater than 2. So we're looking at everything that would be greater than 2 on the number line. So we're going towards the right. All right, and we shade it in. I like to shade mine in different ways. And that's basically your answer. So anything greater than 2 counts, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to infinity. All right, that's what this arrow means. Let's try a different one. So we have 14 is greater than x, okay? 14 is greater than everything that would be x. All right, so let's put 14 on a number line. All right, and if 14 is greater than everything that would be x, then that means that x is less than 14. You can also look at it like this. X is less than 14. So you can flip it so that it looks better. Just make sure you bring the inequality symbol over when you flip. So circle 14 with an open dot because it is not including 14. It's including everything that's less than 14, and shade in the arrow in the negative direction, going less than 14. So it doesn't include 14, that's why it's an open dot. It's only including everything less than 14. So some possible solutions could be 13, 11, 5, negative 14. So all of those could be possible solutions, okay? All right, so once again, an open dot means that the starting number is not included in the set of solutions represented by x. So as we saw, negative 14 was not included, but everything less than it was. All right, so close dot. For these symbols, we have less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. All right. For these symbols, we graph them with a closed or shaded dot on the starting number and shade the line in the proper direction as explained in the inequality. So here are some examples. Okay, and when we use a closed dot, this means that the starting number is included in the set of solutions represented by X. So here's an example. We have X is greater than or equal to 2/5. So we draw our number line, plot 2/5, and then we use a closed dot to mark it. So that's our starting point. And we are saying that X is greater than or equal to. So the equal to is that it's a closed dot, and the greater than means that it's going in the positive direction. Everything greater than 2/5. All right. So some possible solutions could be 2/5. So 2/5 is one of the solutions. It could be 3/5. It can be 10/5, which would be what? 2. Okay. So those are some solutions. Let's try another one. We have X is less than or equal to -3. So here's -3, less than or equal to. So the equal to part means that we close the dot, shade the dot in, and then the less than part means we're going to the negative direction. So we shade that part in, and that's it. So some possible solutions could be -2, could be 0, could be, oh, sorry, not 0. Could be, and not -2 either. Wrong direction. Could be -4, -5, -10. All right, so those are some of the solutions for this inequality. All right, so now you can practice with these 5 inequalities on a sheet of paper and list 3 possible solutions, okay?